That's right, I'm back. It's the Urban Chef, Chef Chris from Creative Cooking. Today I'm going to make something simple. Being that it's the end of the summer, we still have time for simple, elegant meals at home. Today what I have for you in front of me is as simple as we call them roll-ups. Some call them wraps. Rollie posts a simple, elegant way. Sometimes you may have some last-minute people that come over and you want to step it up real quick. I'm going to do an elegant, simple, quick, delicious, nutritious lunch. What I have here is two various wraps. I have a sun-dried tomato and the spinach. I have a Dijonaise, which is just a combination of mayonnaise, Dijon mustard. I have just a regular honey roasted turkey and ham here. Assorted cheese. We're gonna just go with something simple, which you rarely would have at home. Just some Kobe Jack and a little American cheese here. Just gonna slap this together. Really simple. Take some shredded lettuce. I have a little mixture here of romaine, a little iceberg, a little radicchio in there just to give it a little bite. We just add that on there. This is something that looks elegant and it's nice, and you can do it right at home. Nothing to it. A lot of times we used to always add a little cream cheese at the end to help it seal, but it's not necessary. Just take that, roll it nice and tight. Nothing to worry about, no fuss. There we go. Just roll them up like that. What I like to do is cut the ends off. Like that. Spoon your filling in there. Give it a roll, just like that. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Roll it up like that. Got a burrito. Real quick. Got it rolled up. Take a little oil here. There we go. Nice hot pan. You don't want it too hot because it'll turn brown too quick though, but it's good as go here. Want a nice you can just put that all around like that. There you go. Got a little finished product. You got a Southwestern burrito, somewhat a little more healthier. This is a cucumber salad. This is shredded lettuce, very simple red onions. You want to thank everybody for viewing the show. Until I see you next time, the Urban Chef.